Shut up. That guy over there, he's somebody. I'll tell you a little bit more about that guy right there. Just in a little bit. Right now, we gotta get some 87 in us. 87 for the non-believers. And for the homies.
What's up, buddy?
What are you doing? You don't even live out here. You're trespassing these days. I don't really want to get an SCMM quite yet. Let's wait till the end. I'm going to give you 30 seconds at the end of this video to tell everybody about SCMM and what's going on and some of the details. But first, let's talk about where we're going to today. For food, because I like to eat. So the other day when we were on the phone, you'd said you liked Italian food and Mexican food. Sure. Lately on the channel, I've done a lot of Italian stuff, so we're going to do the Mexican shit. I've got a spot in mind that off camera, I hit a lot, and I enjoyed it enough to put the place in a video. Based on your love for burrito, I think I got the spot for you. The place we're going to is called Las Golondrinas. Let's ride around a little bit, get an appetite, and then we'll go eat. Tell you the real reason why we brought full pin out. A lot of you guys are asking about SCMM already. Some of you guys already know that I passed the torch, and the person I passed the torch to, full pin Moto. And honestly, he's the man for the job. He's young, he's motivated, he's got way more time than I. Ever since I started that second channel, I just don't have time to do anything more. Instead of killing the event, I figured, dude, just hand it over, man. Give it to the dudes fresh and upcoming. Besides that, I'm kind of out of touch with the community. At least the new guys, the up-and-comers, and I fault myself for that. I know there's a lot of new channels out there that are worth watching. I'm gonna do a better job starting today to connect with some of you guys and get out there and ride with you and have a little fun and see what you guys are up to. Right? Right. Anyway, passing over SCMM was the first step. I'm gonna give them about 30 seconds to discuss SCMM towards the end of this video. And if you guys don't know what SCMM is, it's Southern California Motovlogger Meetup. It's a big gathering for all the people that do what we're doing today. It's a way for vloggers to connect with other vloggers as well as their fan base or the people that watch their videos. It's a good thing. It's a positive thing. Missing glove. I have so many gloves without a partner at home. I don't know what my problem is, dude, but I lose gloves all the time. And I keep them. Instead of throwing away, I just buy the same pair of gloves and just assume I'm going to lose another one and hope it's the other hand that I lose. Responsibly irresponsible is what you would call that, I guess. All right, full pin Moto. To the white line, sir. The loser buys the winner lunch. I smell antifreeze again. Looks like I'm eating for free. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Las Golondrinas. Las Golondrinas was established in 1988, or was it 87? Anyway, in South Orange County, there's 6 locations. They're amazing, all of them I'm assuming. It's a family-owned business and one of my favorite spots to eat at. The burrito that we're gonna get today, it's called Big Dave. Just because it's called Big Dave doesn't mean it's huge. I mean, it's a big burrito and all, but it's not one of them novelty item burritos that's like the size of a baby. The burrito's a healthy sized burrito. It's wrapped in 2 tortillas, your choice of meat, which I always get the carne asada or the shredded beef. It's amazing. It's got rice, beans, cheese, cilantro, tomato, and some salsa. That's it. That's it. And it's good, man. It is really good. And this is a no-frills place, just one of my local spots that I enjoy eating at. And I can't wait to share this place with you. So, stick around. Alright, this is kind of a private road, but I don't really give a shit.
It's a little dirty there, bud.
Is it?
Yeah.
Bad?
Like, center.
Oh no. Wonder how long it's been like that.
Probably just now.
You know what? Let's go see Bobalo.
Let's do it. If I've ever met Bob.
Sure is a nice day for the ride. I'm white and all, but I think like older white people are nerdy. I guess I'm kind of nerdy. I mean, I'm not like book smart nerdy, but I don't know. I'm like nerdy. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not going to say it anymore. Let's go back to SCM just briefly. Just briefly. Now, I said I wasn't going to run the event anymore, but I'm definitely going to attend. So before you guys start thinking I'm not going to show up, I am going to show up. And I'm going to show up big, dude. I'm going to have the 10x10. I'll have some women out there. Get out some shirts and tags, some stickers. And I really want you guys to come and see me. So don't worry, I'll be there. Ever since I started riding dirt bikes, now I look at all these areas and I'm like, man, what a fun place to ride that would be. In fact, if you guys are subscribed to Full Pin Moto, you'll see that he rides. I've ridden dirt bikes with him a couple of times, but I always see him at Milestone MX track when I go, which I don't really go often. I don't really care for the track stuff that much. I like the desert stuff, but he's super into track. It's pretty good too. A lot better than I am. But that's not saying much because you guys know I suck. Oh, this dude ran over a cone. I kind of want to run it over too, but I was a little worried to get hung up in my wheel. Oh, look at that, dude. See, dirt bike stuff right there. You hit that, jump over. Oh, you're good, man. You clear it, no problem. Buttery Films wouldn't have a problem doing that. If you guys aren't aware of Buttery Films, the YouTube channel, I definitely encourage you to go check that dude out. Those guys over there are hilarious. Maybe one day when I'm out on the dirt bike, we'll cross paths, but I doubt it, man. I'd be so scared to ride with those guys. The shit that they do, forget it, man. I wouldn't even attempt it, but it'd be fun to watch. I'm gonna take this opportunity to thank all the patrons of the channel. It means a lot, guys. I know I don't give you a lot in return, but I do appreciate you. I really do. You guys are special to me. Thank you. See Bob. Haven't seen Bob in a while. Been thinking about starting an Instagram for Bob. Yeah. All right, let's go see what Bob's up to. Little bitch. Hi, how are you? You've never met Bob?
No, I've never.
He's kind of zoned out a little bit right now.
Oh, I think he's been drinking too much.
It's been a while, buddy. We got a sticker, Unit 29Y, man. Beer testing. I like debauchery, my kind of channel. Dang, dude, Bob's loaded today. Dude, we got the Warbeard. All right, Psycho Nurse Chris, my man. This guy's one of my favorites, man. That's that dude that rips around on that scooter all day, huh?
He has the lights on it. Where's the lights?
Yeah. And then what do we got? The Link Hunting Club came all the way here from Virginia Beach, staying in San Diego for a few days, and this was a crucial stop. Thanks for inspiring me and many others to ride. Mitchell, thank you so much, man. That's a feel-good note right there. Oh, I didn't even see this guy. Villains.
That's
I like that.
Warbeard's beard thing.
Oh, he's got a beard company?
No, it's like his beard group that he's part of.
That's cool. Good for him. Oh, dude. That's cool. I think that's it for Bobolo. Hold on, we got some more stuff over here. If you have something like that's expensive or important or whatever, you can always leave it behind the counter. That way it doesn't get snagged. Silver Surfer Tim, I like that guy. Sub D, love the videos, keep them coming. Drinks are on me today. Dude, we get a free soda, I think.
Oh, wow. Kevin,
my man, what do we got? Kevin hooked it up.
Crazy.
Kevin, give us 10. Kevin, you're the man. $10 a little extreme for a couple of soda pops. What we're gonna do, we're gonna buy 2 drinks and then I'm gonna put the change in there for somebody else. Thanks guys, I really appreciate everything. All you guys that come here and do this, it makes it so much fun.
Too many choices.
I know. You know what I might get? I'm gonna get a Red Bull.
What?
Yeah. Do you know I tried to get into the Monster building the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't work out so hot. So we're doing a Red Bull. We are. And our friend Kevin is buying some stuff for us today. Nice. From Kevin. We're going to keep it going, Kevin. Where are you going to put it?
You go like this car?
It's up to you.
We'll go this car.
All right, there it is. Let's go with Silver Surfer, my man. Let's go with Villain. I'm going to go right there. My scooter friend. We're going to go right there. We got Psycho Nurse Chris. I'm going to shove this one way down there. Sorry, buddy. And Warbeard. Shut up. All right, let's eat. I'm hungry. Let's see if old Fullpin wants to get some revenge. Double or nothing? You already owe lunch. I'm gonna let him win. You won. This time for real though. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, for real this time. The winner of this race gets a free lunch. The bike's the real winner in that race. Look at that. They knew we were coming. David Lee Roth or Sammy Hagar?
David Lee.
My man. You ready for that big D?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you think, man? How was that burrito?
That was really good. I liked it.
Top 5?
I'd give top 5.
Top 5's pretty good, man. We've had a lot of burritos in our life living in California. I agree. It's not the best, but it's definitely top 5 for me. Anyway, right now we're going to go ride around just for a few minutes, and we're going to talk a little bit about SCMM, considering he's the man in charge. Hyde Park Pizza. Ha, I've been here. This place has pastrami tacos. Yeah, think about that. Pastrami tacos. RBK loves them. Where is he taking us to? Mr. Fullpin Moto, my man. So I was saying earlier, this is the guy that's running SCMM now. He put together a team, you know, some good dudes with you. He's promised me he's going to treat SCMM with respect, with integrity, and he's going to keep it going based on the roots it started from. For motovloggers, by motovloggers. All right, so what do we got? When is it happening?
So SCMM this year is going to be July 27th, 2019. It's a Saturday at Chaparral Motorsports.
You're keeping it at Chaparral, which is cool. I like that.
We like the big location.
Yeah, they're cool. They're easy to work with also. So you're keeping it at Chaparral. What about the pre-party? Is that still going to happen in Palm Springs? You're doing it all at the same hotel, I'm assuming.
Yeah, so it's all happening at the Desert Lodge.
Nice.
The Friday before. We're just going to hang out, have some fun, kick back. It's nothing too special.
Right on. Just for the people that come into town early. I assume, though, also the hotel probably has another 2-night minimum.
Yeah, so the hotel has a 2-night minimum.
Yeah.
So, I mean, why not just come out anyway?
You know, and plus the hotel's cool. They give us the blind eye. They kind of let us do whatever we want. As long as we don't completely destroy the place, they're cool with it. So.
And we're going to be having a barbecue. Sab Crazy is going to be throwing it. So.
Is that, and that happens Friday?
That's going to be happening Friday.
Nice. So Saturday at Chaparral, game day. What's it going to look like?
So there's going to be booths with vloggers. They'll be selling their merchandise, so bring your merchandise, guys, if you want to set up a booth.
Nice.
Go to scmm2019.com where you can sign up for a booth. The requirements for the booths is that you must set up your own booth, bring lots of water to hand out to people for free, and if you have models that you want, just make sure that they're not too scandalous. We do have kids at this event.
Chaparral's a family-run operation, and we don't want to offend them, that's for sure. We've done it now 4 years over there, and they've been really gracious. And every year they step up a little bit. They don't have to have this event there, and they've made it very clear that they could live without it if it gets too out of control. So luckily, everybody that attends SCMM, dude, it's good-natured people, man. So show up. Don't think it's a big stunt thing. This isn't a city takeover ride or anything. It's pretty much the opposite. So officially, Saturday at noon at Chaparral is when SCMM starts. We hang out there for a few hours. What time do we leave?
At 3 p.m.
We're leaving Chaparral at 3, and then I'm assuming there's going to be somewhat of a ride all the way down to Palm Springs?
Nice, easy ride. No stunting, no wheeling,
Yeah.
no speeding. It's just you're doing a disservice to everybody at the event if you are.
You know, I believe it, dude. There's a lot of companies that kind of overly watch what's happening and how CMM operates. The police are there. Dude, you're not impressing anybody. We've all seen wheelies. We've all seen stoppies and burnouts. Don't screw this event up for everybody. You know, the second it gets out of hand is the second, that's it.
Yep.
No more SCMM.
And obviously, 5 years running, we want to continue this event. So.
Keep it going, man. For years to come, man, because it's a lot of fun. Nothing means more to me than connecting with the people that watch these videos, man, because without those guys, we wouldn't be here. right? Think about it. If you guys want to show up there at SCMM and come out and say hello, personally, I'm going to have shirts, I'll have some key tags, free stickers, I'll have a bunch of stuff. You guys know how I roll, dude. I make sure I take care of the people that come and see me. But all in all, SCMM, it's a good, fun, friendly event. Come on out, hang out, have fun. And after Chaparral, if you want to continue the party, go down to the hotel in Palm Springs where it's a little bit more adult-like. Let's keep this event safe and head in the right direction.
Exactly.
All right, Mr. Full Pin, SCMM is yours to ruin.
We're having a great time planning it. So.
I bet. I bet it's so much fun.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Part of that notification squad. If you haven't yet, check out my other channel, Extra Delinquent. It's all about the dirt bike life over there. I'm really a bad rider, to be honest. So if you don't like me and you want to see me eating dirt and like limping and stuff, that's the channel for you. Huge shout out to the patrons of the channel. You know I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated, keep me going forward, and I wouldn't want to do it without you anyway. Let's not forget the channel sponsors. Law offices of Henry Haddad, keeping me out of trouble. Voss Helmets, keeping my noggin safe. Chaparral Moto, keeping the bikes on the road. And LUIMOTO. Go over to the Full Pin Moto's channel, see what he's up to over there. He was recording too, get his version of today's events. I'll catch you guys later. Do this. Let's give you all a little bit of love. It's not just you, there's a team of you. Who's involved in SCMM?
So it's me, Chuckster, Warbeard, Psych Nurse Chris, Mr. V-Rod, and Off-Dre.
You got a whole team. So this event better be off the hook, dude.
We're delegating. Everybody's got their own jobs.
Right on.
It's going along perfect.